everyone, I'm Winifred. Welcome to Claire, and I hope you enjoy today's video. We're just going to do like a simple makeup tutorial. A simple everyday makeup, what you wear to work, to school, literally anywhere. So without further ado, I think it's ado. Without further ado, let us get into this video.
Starting off with our brows, we begin by brushing our brows with a spoolie. After that, you just gently stroke on your brows because you don't want to put in too much pressure. If not, your brows will turn out to be very thick, which we don't want. So right now, I'm just gently drawing on my brows, and after that, I'm going to brush out the head of the brows so that it gives it a more diffused and natural look. So as you can see, I'm gently brushing in at the beginning of the brows in order to make it look more natural and not like block brows.
So I'm going to go in my angled brush and my foundation. I don't know if you can see, it's black opal.
So using the tip of the angled brush, I'm just going to gently and slowly outline my brows using the foundation that I said. So you want to be very gentle with this so that you don't make a mistake, or even if you do, you can always correct that by going in with your brows. So I'm going to try and fade this out so that the concealer or the foundation doesn't look too concentrated.
Then I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow primer.
Now with this primer, you only need very little because very little goes a very long way. So just very little, it gives like a white finishing, so it pops out your eyeshadow.
I'm going to be going in with this shade.
So in a circular motion, I'm just going to apply the eyeshadow to my eye using the brush gently. I'm not doing anything crazy, so I'm not doing any crease cutting or smoky eye whatsoever. It's a simple look, so I'm just going to apply one eyeshadow to the whole of my eye. You want to make sure that you get everywhere and you leave no white spots of the eyeshadow primer.
Same for the other eye.
You guys, please help me here. How on earth did this happen? I literally just finished using this palette. What? So after spending eternity trying to put on these lashes because of my naturally curly lashes, I'm going to go in and trying to fill in the white spots with the eyeliner. Please, you guys, comment if you have naturally curly lashes. How on earth do you apply your lashes? Please. So I'm going to go in with my BB cream and I'm going to take just very little. The BB cream is a foundation primer just like the eyeshadow primer, and you don't need a lot as well. Very little goes a very long way. So I'm just going to apply it all over my face and rub it in. You want to make sure that you get every spot on your face using this cream so that at least we're kind of secure that the foundation is going to stay wherever it is being put.
I'm going to do my beauty blender and my foundation. That's what I'm going to go in.
So I like to use my fingers to apply my foundation on my face, just for convenience sake.
I'm going to blend that in with.
The beauty blender is called a face beat for a reason. So you need to beat that face. You need to tap on it, not rub. Tap gently.
It's like a simple makeup. I'm not really going to like do any crazy contouring or anything like that. So I'm just going to go with my powder. My powder is almost done, guys. I know.
So to apply the powder, I'm going to gently press on my face using the brush in order to allow the powder to sit well on the foundation.
So that's my Victoria's Secret finishing powder, and that's what I'm going to highlight with. I'm gonna go in my classic powder.
I'm using this to contour my face, and I'm just going to contour my temples, my cheekbones, and the side of my nose.
While I leave my contour to stay on there. So I'm just gonna put some cream, you know.
I first cleaned out my brows with my foundation shade, and now I'm going in with a concealer 2 shades lighter, just in order to give it a 3D effect and make it look neater and more perfect.
I'm going to go in with my shimmer. Since I'm going like, you know, simple, I think, what color should I use? I think I'm feeling a mixture of these two. That's what I'm going to.
So I'm going to apply these in the inner part of my eye, just to give it a softer look. Now I'm just blending out the finishing powder using this little brush. I'm still going to go in afterwards with my bigger brush just to make it look fresher and more evened out.
So just to go back on this, just my simple brush.
After that, I'm going to go in with my blush in the color red. And it's time to peep that glow. Using my fingers, I'm just going to gently apply the glow on my cheekbones. I like to go back in with the brush that actually came with the set, just so that I can even out the glow so it's not too concentrated. So I realized that putting the bronzer all over the bridge of my nose just makes it look too shiny. So I just like to apply it at the tail of my nose and at the middle bridge of it.
Then I'm going to first of all line my lips for my liner. Patent lips. So we're just gonna squeeze some of that out. Come out. Come out.
So now after applying this setting spray, I like to just press the product into my face. I just feel it's more effective that way.
So this is the final look, guys. Do you like it? I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed watching our makeup tutorial. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next